All right, we're going to work on the homework assignment, and we're going to start with this problem right here. And if I'm looking at this triangle, notice the two measurements on this side, 32 and x. So I'm going to write 32 over x. And since I did the 32 above the x, I have to do the 24 above the 9. And there's our problem. All right, we're going to go ahead and cross multiply this. And we'll do, actually before I cross multiply, 3 goes into both of these. 3 goes into this 8 times, 3 goes into this 3 times. That'll make it a little bit easier. 32 times 3 is going to be 96. 8 times x, 8x. And then let's see here, divide by 8, and I get x equals 12. Next one. Since it's upside down like this, I'm just going to keep it the way it is. 20 over 14 and 33 over x. And again, if you can simplify, do it. I see these are both even numbers. So I know that 2 goes into both of these. 2 goes into this 10 times. 2 goes into this 7 times. That'll make it a little bit easier at least. So we'll cross multiply, we get 10x, and then I have to use my calculator here, 7 times 33, to be 200 and something, but let's see here, 7 times 33, 231. Divide both sides by 10, and we get x equals 23.1. So there's the first two. All right, now listen, before I start, if this part's 20 and the whole thing is 36, this would be 16. So let's just write that down first. And then we got, and since it's just this way, let's go ahead and keep it x plus 5 over 30. Now since I put that on the top, the 16 would have to go in the numerator over here, 16 over 20. And then we can cross multiply. And again, I'm going to simplify. 4 goes into both these, 4 goes into this 4 times, 4 goes into this 5 times. Just make it a little bit easier. 4 times 30 is, let's see here, what's that going to be, 120? X plus 5 times 5 would be 5x plus 25. And then we'll subtract 25 from both sides, give me 5x equals 120. Minus 25 is 95. And divide both sides by 5, and we get x equals 19. And that's number 3. Number 4, this side over here, x plus 8 over 2x minus 5. And since the x plus 8 is in the numerator, the 20 would have to be in the numerator on this side, 22.5. And we'll just have to multiply it the way it is here. 20 times this would be, let's see, 20 times 2 is 40. X minus 100 equals, and x plus 8, let's see here, it would be 22.5x. And then 8 times 22.5 is 180. So plus 180. And then I want to subtract 22.5x from both sides. And add 100. So that's gone. That's 280. Equals, and let's see, 40x minus 22.5 is 17.5 x. Divide both sides by 17.5, and we get 280 divided by 17.5. Ooh, that came out evenly at 16. And there's number 4. Number 5. 4 and the 2x plus 4. 3 and the x plus 7. Okay. All right, so cross multiply this way, we get 6x plus 12. And then cross multiply this way, 4x plus 28. And subtract our 4x. And subtract that 12. That's going to be 2x equals 28 minus 12 would be 16. Divide by 2, x is 8. All right, this one here. Let's see, 82 minus the 28 to get started. Just because we need this number right here, 54. All right, so we'll do 2x plus, let's do it on this side. We'll do the 2x plus 8 over the 5x minus 4. And on this side, we'll do the 28 over the 54. Let's see here. I know that 2 goes into both of these. That's just at least that. That'd be 14. 54 divided by 2 is 27. Okay, that makes it a little easier, I guess. 2x plus 8, not really. 2x plus 8 times 27, that'd be 27 times 2 is 54x plus 8 times 27, 216. And then cross multiply this way, 14 times 5 is 70, so it'd be 70x. And then 14 times 4 is 56, so minus 56. So I'm going to subtract that 54x from both sides and add that 56 to both sides. So we got, that's gone, 216 plus 56 is 272. And 70 minus 54 is 16. X, divide both sides by 16, and we get x equals 17, I think. 272 divided by 16. Yeah, 17. Okay. All right, so now for the back page, or the second page, page 11. Let's see here. Oh, these are the determine. Notice this doesn't say solve. It says determine if it's parallel. Okay. So the way that we do those, the way that I showed you, is we're just going to write that same proportion. And then cross multiply and just see if it's true. So 10 times 11.2 is 112. 7 times 16 is also 112. So are they parallel? Yes. All right, let's see here. 102 minus 45 is 57. All right, so we got 45 over 57, 33 over 41.8. And cross multiply, so 33 times 57 is 1,881. 45 times 41.8 is also 1,881. So this one is also yes. Usually they flip it around. All right, this one surely will be a no, but let's find out. 19 over 38, 24 over 52. So 24 times 38 is 912. 19 times 52 is 988. Not true. So, no. Are they parallel? No. All right, 25 over 48. 30 over x. And cross multiply, so 25x, 30 times 48 is 1,440. Divide by 25. And we get 57.6. To start this in 49 minus that 28 is 21. All right, so x over 36.4, 21 over 28. Okay, so cross multiply, actually 7 goes into that, 3, 7 goes into 4. Make it a little easier. So 4x on this side, 3 times 36.4 is 109.2. Divide both sides by 4, and we get 27.3. All right, the next one, 32 over 60. 2x plus 6 over 52.5. That could be simplified. Let's see here. What's the biggest number that goes into both those? Does 8? No. Does 4? Yeah, 4 goes into both. 4 goes into this 8 times. 4 goes into this one 15. A little easier. 52.5. So 8 times 52.5 is 420. 2x plus 6 times that would be, well, 2x times 15 is 30. Then 6 times 15 is 90. So plus 90. Subtract 90 from both sides. 420 minus 90 is 330. And that might work out perfect. 330 divided by 30 is 11. All right, next one. 21 over x minus 3 and 27 over x minus 1. And we'll cross multiply here. 27x minus 27 times 3 is 81. And then 21x minus 21. Subtract 21x from both sides. And add that 81. So that'd be 6x equals, and 81 and negative 21 is 60. So x equals 10. All right, almost done. 2 left. 2 questions left. Oh, just 1 question left. 15. Oh, that's right. I got rid of that. We got rid of that one. Let's see here. That'd be 15 right there. So 4x minus 2 over 7x minus 11, 15 over 20. And 5 goes into that 3, 5 goes into that 4, just to make it a little easier. All right, so 4 times that would be 16x minus 8, 3, that'd be 21x minus 33. Subtract 16x from both sides. And then add the 33. Let's see, we're going to get, it's going to be 5x equals, and that's 25. That worked out good, so x is 5. All right, there's the homework assignment, and hopefully if you had trouble with any of those, this video helps you. And if any of these explanations did not make sense, please let me know, and I will offer you additional help.